Hello my fellow brothers and sisters, hope you're as good as can be in these dark times. Sorry that I haven't been able to update any of the content that I've posted as was my intention, but they do say if you want to make God laugh, tell him your plans. He must have been pissing himself with laughter when I told him my plans. I have suffered a heart attack and a stroke and have been recovering for the last 8 months, but that's another story, so I won't bore you with it. So I do apologise for all those late updates on Poundland, on the Poundland incident and other things, but there will be another update on SSC and their scummy tactics against the vulnerable soon this week. So I'll be posting another video soon this week on what's gone on, just to update everybody. If you haven't seen this Poundland video, go to my channel, it's on there and you can see the full video. But does anybody remember this clown?
I'm up to me. Walk off. Go away. You go away because you've got no power. You stand there. I'm just going to report you.
You can report me, mate.
I don't need that. I've already got you, mate. I am going to report you. You're a community support officer. She's walked off. She's the professional. You're still standing there. What are you still standing there harassing me for?
Mate, I can walk
no,
off.
I'm not your mate. Don't talk to me as mate. You call me sir. Now walk off. More like it. That's better. That's how you deal with them mugs, because all they're not here for you. They're here for you. Mate, I am so sorry and I apologise. I'm not going to video you. I apologise to you. But I don't take this kind of shit from nobody. And they have caused me. Look at him still standing there. Here you go. You're still going to follow me, aren't you? I'll just walk all the way back round here, mate. I'll just walk around. You're going to guess it right. Walk off, because you just keep harassing me. You're just making it worse, mate. I'm telling you. I'm coming for you. You follow me again, PCSO. I'm telling you now. Stop turning your back on me. You follow me again and cause me any more alarm, harassment, and distress when your superior, she's a police officer, she's walked off to the escalator station. You're still there. Don't follow me anymore. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Mate, I don't
Do you? I'm not your mate. I've told you. You address me as sir. You're a public servant. All you're doing is ask. You're making it worse. Are you?
I'm not going to read the results of yet another bullshit cover-up by the Professional Standards Department. That's so independent, impartial and full of integrity. And of course, don't forget independent. Yeah, independent, my arse. I was too unwell to take this complaint any further, but as you can see, PCSO 31539 dipshit jumped before he was pushed. He resigned, which anybody who's in the know of police corruption knows, that so they can make the complaint disappear and go away, as this document proves. And PCSO dipshit can reapply in 6 months again with no record of any complaint, no discipline, no worries, just reapply. A technique used by the police for many years now, which happens to work, and that's why Rob Mann, investigating the complaint, is aptly named, because this man, who's named Rob Mann, has probably robbed many a man of any chance of right to complain and seek some kind of justice. Yep. Police Professional Standards, that's the place to go when you make a complaint. True, honest and full of integrity. This is Poundland. In the financial year ending 2020, the UK retailer generated 1.77 billion euros in revenue. This information is in the public domain and can be found on Wikipedia, but it's stating that Poundland is a British company. It's a variety chain store. Well, let's have a look how British this company is, shall we? Poundland is owned by a company called Steinhoff International, which is a South African, German, Dutch international retail holding company that is dual listed in Germany and South Africa. Very British indeed, with a revenue stream of 12 billion. Wow, Poundland, a very British company indeed, yeah, proper British. This is Jim McCarthy, CEO of Poundland. He has done very well for himself indeed. Have a look how much he's done for himself. Look how much he's worth with his philosophy of everything for a pound. Sounds very fair, doesn't it? Very fair indeed. Everything for a pound sounds fair. It's only £1. But what they failed to tell you, and what he omits from the philosophy, is that as long as we pay 1 penny or pennies for it, this is why these so-called British companies operate, is to buy or produce anything in vast quantities, so any unit of any product in that shop costs but a few pennies, or probably 1 pence after you buy it in that much bulk. How do you think these companies make all their billions that you can see on the thing, and his millions that you can see he's earned? by playing fair and giving you a fair deal. Yeah, okay. There will be a point to this shortly. We'll show you how much this court case has gone on and how much money these people are prepared to throw at it just to win. Here's Jim McCarthy holding a big pound with a big massive smile on his face, and he should have a big massive smile on his face for the money he makes by pulling strokes like rewarding his staff members at Christmas, working through a pandemic with a £25 in-store gift voucher. That's it, £25 to spend in store. Consider how much Jim McCarthy pays per unit, per item for the stuff in his shop. He probably did only end up rewarding them with £1, so I can see why he's holding it. Like the man says, everything for £1, including rewarding permanent employees at Christmas working through a pandemic. This is Keon's, the solicitor firm that Jim McCarthy has hired to defend the discrimination small claims case that is in motion at the moment. Just waiting for the court date, and I'll keep you updated as soon as I know. This is an expensive company with numerous offices, a revenue stream of £299.2 million with 1,700 employees. It's a very expensive firm. Well, he can afford it, Jim McCarthy, because look how rich he is. I cannot say too much about the case because it's ongoing and they'll probably use anything against me, so I can't say too much, except that not only do I have to face this huge top 50 solicitors firm, the firm with all its solicitors feels that it needs to hire a £400 an hour top barrister, not even one of their own solicitors, but a top barrister, which they have billed me for. Good luck recovering all your money from small claims cases for this. And all this for disabled, vulnerable, litigating persons. Still they will be relying upon lawyers, which I'm not able to show you at the moment because of the court case. But after I lose the case, and I will lose, that £400 an hour barrister will be worth every penny. You get what you pay for. And small claims court strikeout clauses are a serious pitfall that I've learned at my own costly expense. But my reward will not be for money, but for exposing these corrupt corporations and showing you, the people, how these companies deal with people like me, with their deep pockets where they believe they can buy you for just a £25 in-store gift voucher. Well, when I have indeed lost the case, I will lose. I know I'll lose, but I don't care. I'll still fight anyway. I'll still fight them. I predict that Keon Solicitors, a Davis Group Corporation, will have some explaining to do to the Law Society. I guarantee it, and I'll show you. I'd just like to say a big thank you to Rob, the Real North Media, who's been very good to me, and the family members who are on that channel, and so respect going out to you. Thank you for being so kind to me and welcoming me. It really means a lot, and I really appreciate it, because I've been gone for so long, because I've been so ill. So thank you for making me feel welcome, much appreciated. All of you, the Real North Media's channel, and everybody, thank you very much.